Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to make Snapchat private account. So let's get started. Tap on profile at the top left corner, then open main menu, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and find privacy controls. Here's it. First option, select contact me and select my friends. Go back, tap on view my story, select my friends, go back, select see my location, tap on it, and then tap on ghost mode to enable it. Swipe the slider to the right side and then tap on until turn it off. Then go back. Here select see me in quick add and disable it. Quick add helps friends find each other on Snapchat. You might appear in another Snapchat's quick add if you share multiple friends or another connection. Go back and select use my Bitmoji avatar and select only me. Then go back and use your Snapchat app. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.